Hey guys, welcome to Rasna Packet. I'm going to show you a new power bank. It's called J-Way product. The J-Way is a Taiwanese product. So the new entrepreneurs in Taiwanese, they started working on different kind of projects. So one of the team I met in Taiwan, so they are J-Way. So they like to show their power bank in our video. Let's see how it's going to be happen. Ciao. So nicely packed. See, there is a magnetic thing, and also the instruction they are carved there. It can attract. See, then lock it. So here is the power bank. I'm going to take the power bank. This how the box looks like. Oh, slippery here. So this is the power bank. Let's see. So look nice. There is a port over here. You click that port. Too cold. Yep. If you click this port, it's open. There is a battery. This battery says 3.6 volt, 3400 mAh. So lightweight and easy to carry, and it has so many ports over here. For an example, let me check. For an example, see. So here is the portion. There is a latch over here. So you can open like this, then you can put it backside of your mobile by stretching this area. So I latched. That's all. Here you go. See, it's a mobile holder. This one is a mobile holder. Wow, so nice. These people are so creative, and they give a sharp solution. Now this is the positive and this is the negative. So there's a mention over there. I have to put the battery inside it. The positive should enter inside, then the negative. Yeah, USB wire here. Yep. And this area, it's go and inside this part. Sorry, it's so frozen. Each area will be going in this side. See, I have plugged in. Yeah. So you have to attach both the power bank in this way, and there the strip to give a grip for the another power bank. You can keep it like this. Yep. So juice your gadgets with JV. Signing off.